Hey everyone, this is Jaime here, the account manager here at Advanced Test Equipment. We're at our annual Advanced Test Equipment Symposium at our headquarters in San Diego, California. So today we have a wide variety of our vendors that are showing their new equipment, as well as some test labs. So it'll be a fun day.
Hey, it's Jameson here at ATEC and at SDTES. This is an event for everything that's involved with test equipment manufacturing, and we have many vendors that come out here and give talks about the technical things that they do and provide for the world of testing and all the great things that you can see. Come out and check it out.